After the viral craze of Ghibli-style AI images, the internet is going crazy over this action figure AI images. But how do we generate this? To generate them is pretty simple. Head over to ChatGPT, add any image like we would do with the Ghibli-style image, and copy paste the prompt given in the description below. Adapt it based on your need. Quickly going to show you. So I'm going to upload the image which we had already taken for the Ghibli image, and I'm going to copy paste the prompt now. So the prompt is create a toy style action figure packaging mockup featuring Ritesh dressed as a YouTube content creator. He should be standing with arms down inside a professional blister packaging. The figure wears a red YouTube hoodie, jeans and sneakers with accessories like a DSLR camera, a ring light, a microphone and a laptop. Change this according to your needs and try out different image generation. Use a vibrant red background inspired by YouTube branding and a bold black header that says YouTuber Pro. Include a price tag that says $199, right? And make the packaging look high-end like a premium collectible figure from a toy store or creator merchandise chef. So let's hit enter and see what is getting generated. Wait for a few seconds and the image will be ready for you to use. And there you go. So YouTuber Pro, I'm not sure if this is looking like me, but yeah, this is the fun fact, right? So it has added the lights, the camera, mic, yeah. And so go ahead and try this out for your own image and see what you can generate out of this. Share your action figure AI image in the community and let's have some fun. And now we want to make an unboxing video out of this. To do that, go to Kling AI and use image to video. Let's try that out. I'm going to download this and then let's head over to Kling AI and we'll click on create. We'll go to video and we have image to video. So we'll upload the image that we just downloaded. We'll first have to sign up. So I'll use this method. As always, click on a few buttons, then you will be in. Closing this, I've uploaded this image. We have a prompt for this. Let's come over here, add the prompt, right? And the prompt is create a short video unboxing action figure like in the picture. Then take the action figure and bring it closer to the camera by rotating the action figure. And let's click on generate. Now this is going to take about 3 hours because of the virality. A lot of people are using it and they are in queue right now. So meet you after 3 hours. And that's how you join the viral action figure trend. Do try this out and share it with others. Thank you. Bye.